Oh, look at the glass, guys. It is so many prints over there. Honestly, I am so guilty. I do not clean my kitchen appliances every day. I know. Maybe I shouldn't, but I just don't remember it, or I just don't have the time to. So you know how we just clean on the surfaces, on the tops, and then we actually do not get into the appliances. So today, this is a motivation for me and for you all that we can clean our kitchen appliances. I'm gonna be using vinegar and I'm gonna be using water, and you're gonna see, guys, how I'm gonna do it. It actually makes it so easy. I'm going to put the vinegar in water and mix it. I didn't use any measurements. I just used, like, my common sense to think, this is the right proportion. And then I just put it in the microwave and I put for 5 minutes. It's gonna run for 5 minutes. So whilst it's running, I'm just gonna spray water and vinegar on the glass to just melt the prints and the grease and whatever is on the glass, as you can see, guys. And then I just took a cloth, like those normal little cloth, and I just started cleaning off the prints whilst it is running for 5 minutes in there, as you can see, guys, here. Guys, after 5 minutes, I'm just gonna open the microwave and actually take the water out. Again, guys, I need to tell you this, like, if your microwave is so dirty and it's very, very dirty, you can put up to 10 minutes because you really want everything that is sticking on the microwave to get off. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna take the glass and the ring, and I'll wash it in the sink, like just using some normal fairy liquid, and then I'll come and then start cleaning the microwave. This is literally satisfying. This is like my best part. I love this, especially when I'm cleaning like the screen. It is just goes, like everything just goes. So this is the important thing about vinegar. And the other thing as well is, if your microwave is going to be smelling, the vinegar is going to get rid of the smell, and the vinegar is going to get rid of the stains as well. And this is it, like a natural thing. It's not anything that is chemical. You can literally just finish doing this and put your food afterwards without you worrying if your food is gonna smell of the food, or if your food is gonna have chemicals. So this is like why I love to use vinegar. So yeah, guys, I hope you get that, you get the vibe. I haven't cleaned this toaster in a while, guys. Like, I'm so guilty. I haven't cleaned it in a while. You could actually see, guys, the dirt that was coming out of it. Loads of dirt that was coming out of it. And to be quite honest, you know, it is so hard to clean it every day. Sometimes you've got a lot of things to be doing and you forget it. So when I have got the chance to clean it, I want to make sure that I'm going to give it a deep clean, because it's going to be a while until I do it again. So you see those plates, guys, I took them out of my toaster, no, microwave, out of my toaster. I'm sure everybody actually do have those ones, and you just take them. You can even take them every day if you want, if you've got the time. I mean, why not? So I'm just gonna use the pink stuff to clean it, guys, because there was stains. I love the pink stuff. I'm always hyping about it in my videos. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that and make sure that that is all clean and put them on the side, and I start on the microwave. Guys, as you could see that my microwave is copper, and it has got some side that is got like the silver bits, the stainless steel bits. So I'm gonna use the pink stuff to clean the silver bits, the stainless steel, but I'm not going to use it on the copper part because I didn't know if it's gonna take the copper part. As you can see, guys, I'm not even going on the copper part with the pink stuff. So guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean on the copper side. I'm just gonna put Fairy liquid, that's all, on a damp cloth, and I'll start cleaning it like so, guys. As you can see, that's it. Don't mind my toaster because one of that knob is, we missed it. We don't know where it has gone. It grew some legs. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and just clean on the copper side using just a damp cloth with water. That's all, really. And guys, I just want to take this opportunity to say thank you so much for actually supporting my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for subscribing to my small channel. Thank you so much for always coming here all the times. And if you're new here, you know what to do. I mean, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, let's grow together. And guys, one thing that I want to let you know is when I come here and put the videos, it doesn't mean that I'm so perfect. It doesn't mean that I'm so good at cleaning or my house is always clean. I am also struggling as a mom, as a busy mom, as a working mom. It is hard, it's not easy. So this is like a little bit of motivation that we do it together, that we remember some things that we don't do it. You're not on your own. We are all in this together, guys. We are all, you know, struggling around, juggling everything. So whenever we get the chance, let's do it. Let's get a little bit of motivation and do it. And subscribe to my channel, because you give me the energy to keep on doing this, guys. Thank you so much.